Toolbox Talk. How long does it take for your trash to decompose? Waste decomposes in a landfill. Decomposition means that those chemical bonds that hold together disintegrate, and the material break down into simpler substances. Biological decomposition can be hastened or delayed, depending on the amount of oxygen, temperature, and moisture available. How do you make trash decompose faster? Begin by cutting or shredding the ingredients into small pieces. This will help them decompose faster. Why don't we burn trash? Burning prohibited materials, such as garbage, plastic, or painted or treated wood, is harmful to environment because these materials release toxic chemicals that pollute the air. Pollutant air can be inhaled by humans and animals, and deposited in soil, and surface water, and on plants. Burning of wastes is a violation of Ecological, Solid Waste Management Act, or Republic Act, 9003, any violator of Republic Act, 9003, shall be subjected to criminal proceedings. How our waste affects the planet? 1. Climate change. Landfill methane contributes significantly to global warming, as a potent greenhouse gas, even more powerful than CO2. 2. Air pollution. Incinerating waste produces emissions, including nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, particulates, and toxic ashes. This contribute to acid rain, smog, and health issues. 3. Water contamination. Leaks, spills, and improper containment of landfills and waste sites can lead to polluted stormwater, groundwater, and drinking water sources. 4. Soil pollution. Hazardous substances like paints, batteries, pesticides, and electronics that get landfilled can leach toxins into surrounding of soil. 5. Ocean plastic. Litter that travels from landfills and waterways into the ocean wreaks havoc on marine ecosystems. Across the food chain, most ocean plastic comes from land sources. 6. Resource depletion. Discarded paper, aluminum, glass, and plastic represents wasted sources and embodied energy that could be conserved through recycling. 7. Habitat destruction is the process by which a natural habitat becomes incapable of supporting its native species. Solution for circular economy. 1. Composting, diverting food and yards waste from the landfills to create nutrient-rich compost reduces methane emissions while benefiting the soil. 2. Recycling, processing post-consumer materials like paper, plastic, and glass into new products, reduce extraction and processing of virgin raw materials. 3. Waste to energy safely converts non-recyclable residual waste into clean electricity and heat. 4. Extended producer's responsibility assign producers responsibility for collecting and recycling their used products and packaging, incentivizing greener design. 5. Landfill mining. Old landfill can be excavated to unearth useful materials, reclaim space, capture methane, and remediate environmental issues. 6. Zero waste. The zero waste movement aims to eliminate waste through reduction, recycling, reuse, and composting. The life cycle of trash. Aluminum cans, 80 to 200 years. Plastic bags 10 to 20 years, plastic bottles up to 450 years. Glass bottles, 1,000,000 years to decompose. Paper waste, 2 to 6 weeks to decompose. Food waste, banana peel 3 to 4 weeks. Apple core, takes up to 2 months. Disposable diapers, takes appropriately 500 years. Cigarette butts takes 1 to 5 years to decompose. Foamed plastic cups 50 years. Rubber boot sole 50 to 80 years. Plastic film container 20 to 30 years. Leather 50 years. Battery 100 years. Wool sock 1 to 5 years. Nylon fabric 30 to 40 years. Plywood 1 to 3 years. Waxed milk cartons 3 months.